Hi. Hi.
Say now, what happens here? Oh, it's a man. A delicious man. That's just what I should do, but I'm not. Please go to sleep, man. Come